You know how Apple keeps its battery capacities a secret? Well, that's the thing. But today, we got some insider info straight from China's regulators, and it's a game changer. The iPhone 15 lineup just got certified, and guess what? They got slightly beefier batteries than their predecessors. Let's break it down. iPhone 15 now packs a punch with a 3,349 mAh battery, up from 3,279 mAh in the iPhone 14. iPhone 15 Plus, it's a powerhouse with a 4,383 mAh battery, up from 4,325 mAh on the iPhone 14 Plus. iPhone 15 Pro, boosted to 3,274 mAh from 3,200 mAh in the iPhone 14 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro Max, the big kahuna boasts a massive 4,422 mAh battery, up from 4,323 mAh in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now these increases might seem tiny, but hold onto your seats because there's more to the story. The real magic is likely to come from super efficient chipsets and screens, not just these sub-100 mAh battery gains. So, expect some serious battery life improvements. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Apple unveiled these fantastic 4 at a special event just yesterday, and they're available for pre-order today in markets all around the globe. So get ready to experience the future of iPhones. It's going to be electrifying.